Okay, so it's the end of the workday. It's currently 8:26 p.m. I fucked up. I had 3 pints. I shouldn't have had any, but I did, so it is what it is. Obviously, I'm not drunk or anything like that, but the fact that I had any beers is too many, and I shouldn't have had any. I don't feel good about it, but I don't feel bad about it, which is probably not good either. The second that the beer hit my tongue, my brain went, this is fucking stupid, why am I doing this? But also, my brain also went, this is fucking incredible, I feel so great right now, this is everything I've ever wanted. And it's shit, but like I said, it's a journey, and this is just a little bump in the road, so tomorrow we try again. It is what it is.